Good morning, dear students. Now, after the exam, we'll start chapter number 5, acids, base, and salts. Okay. You have to write down the new words of this chapter in the notebook. Okay. That new words you can find out at the end of the chapter. That is, key words is there that you have to write down in the notebook. There are only 8 keywords. Okay, so write it down in your notebook. So let's start our chapter, that is acid, base, and salts. Now let me introduce the whole chapter in a small way. That acids, you all have seen the acids and you must have heard the name of the acid also. Okay, and you might be not knowing about what is bases. Okay, and the salts is nothing but the normally that we are eating. Okay, so the acids you have already in your home in a different ways. Okay, so what are the uses of acids, base, and salt in our day to day life? That is given in the textbook. Okay, so we used in our daily life a large number of substances such as lemon, nimbu, right? Tamarind, it means imli. Okay, and common salt, it means that we are using in our cooking. Then sugar and vinegar. Okay, so these are some common substances that we used in our day to day life. Without that we cannot have the another substance. Okay, so let me tell you, this lemon, turmeric, common salt, sugar, and vinegar, do they have same taste? No. Okay, because lemon and vinegar and tamarind, they have the sour taste. Okay, sour, it means khatta. Even common salt having the taste of salty, and the sugar have the taste of sweet. Okay, so you all have to try out this 4 common substance which is listed over here, that lemon, turmeric, common salt, sugar, and vinegar. Okay, basically do not taste anything unless asked to do so. इट मीन्स वॉट, अगर आपको ये चीज़ के इसका टेस्ट पता नहीं है कि ये सब्सटेंस का टेस्ट कैसा होगा, देन डोंट ट्राई इट, बिकॉज सम ऑफ द सब्सटेंस वी आर नॉट able to eat. Okay, and some of the substance are also there, so that substance we cannot able to touch. Why? Because that substance may be harmful to us. Okay, so do not touch anything unless asked to do so. जब तक आपको कहा ना जाए तब तक वो किसी के सब्सटेंस को छूना नहीं है या फिर टेस्ट करना नहीं है. Clear? Now in the table 1.5.1 there are several substances given, and over there you will have to write down the what is the taste of that substances. There are mainly 3 taste: sour, bitter, salty, sweet, and any other. If you are not able to define that whether the taste of the substance is salty, bitter, sweet, what it is, then you can write any other. Okay, now this is your homework that you all have to write it down in the textbook. The lemon juice, what is the taste of the lemon juice? Is it sour? Is it bitter? Bitter means what? Kadwa. Sour means khatta. एनी अदर में आएगा, स्वीट आएगा, सॉल्टी आएगा. क्लियर? सो दिस टेबल यू हैव टू फिल. क्लियर? नाउ apart from this there are let me study about the acids and base. Okay, first I will tell you about the acid. Now curd, lemon juice, orange juice, and vinegar. Now keep it in mind. If assume that if you are eating curd, if you are drinking lemon juice, if you are drinking orange juice, and if you are eating the vinegar, then what is the taste of that? This all the four substances are in a sour taste, right? So this substances taste sour because they contain acids. Okay, so what you conclude? Those substances having the sour in taste, okay, sour in taste, these substances are known as the acids. So the chemical nature of the such substance is in a acidic nature. Clear? Now the chemical nature of such substances is in a acidic. Clear? Now the word acid come from the Latin word that is called acer, which means sour. It will be asked in the MCQ, either one word. Okay, what is the meaning of acer? So acer, it means what? Sour. Clear? Now this acids in this substance as natural acid. Okay, these all are substances having the natural acid. हम उसमें कोई भी चीज़ हम उसके अंदर ऐड करते नहीं है. कर्ड है, लेमन जूस है, ऑरेंज जूस है, दे ऑल आर नेचुरल, right, that we get from the plants. But are we adding in that substance any extra substance? No, these all are the natural. Okay, so this substance is having the natural acid. Okay, so this is about the acid. Clear? Now let's talk about the base. Now for the base you have to keep it in mind the baking soda, ENO, then your cold drinks, then your washing powder, then your soaps, etc. Okay, those substances having in a bitter taste, it means it is in a bitter taste. Bitter means what? Kadwa. And you feel soapy. Soapy means what? Chikna. Okay, on the touching are known as the base. So here the one example is given. If you all know what is the use of baking soda, either ENO. Okay, so if you are taste that baking soda, that taste is bitter in nature. Okay, if you rub it in solution, if you rub it in between your fingers, then you feel very soapy, it means chikna. So the generally substances like this which are bitter in taste and feel soapy in touch are known as the bases. The nature of such substances is said to be basic. Okay, bases. This bases, it means what? Ki those substances are in a bitter in taste and feel soapy while touching are called bases, and the nature of such substances is said to be basic. ओके, उसका नेचर क्या है ये सारे सब्सटेंस का? तो बेसिक है. यहाँ पे जैसे एसिडिक है उसको यहाँ पे बेसिक कहते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ हाउ कैन यू कम टू नो दैट if there are varieties of substance are there in front of you, then how will you identify that whether the substance is acid in nature, whether the substance in a basic in nature? How will you identify? Because all the substance we are not able to test it, we are not able to touch it. Okay, because some of the substance are we don't know. Okay, what is the nature of the substance? If we are eating the unknown substance, then it may happen there are certain reactions in our body, so it may get affected. Okay, so all the substance we cannot taste every time and we cannot touch every time. Okay, so for that there is an indicator that shows us that the substance is in a acidic in nature and the substance is in a basic in nature. Okay, so here the indicator is this. The what is the role of the indicator? The special type of substances that are used to test whether the substance is acidic or basic, these substances are known as the indicator. क्लियर? इंडिकेटर का काम क्या है कि हमें सब्सटेंस को आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि वेदर द सब्सटेंस इज एसिडिक इन नेचर और बेसिक इन नेचर. क्लियर? नाउ द इंडिकेटर्स changes their color when added into the solution containing an acid or base. It means what? We having the indicator. ओके, एंड हमारे पास दो अलग अलग सब्सटेंस है. वी डोंट नो विच वन इज द एसिड और विच वन इज द बेसिक. ओके, but when we are adding that indicator into that solution, or if we are come in a contact with that substance, that indicator change their colors. Okay, or on the basis of the color changing we come to know that is the acid substance and basic substance. Okay, now the turmeric, litmus, china rose petal, etc. are some of the naturally occurring indicators. Here the certain examples are given of the indicators that you will have to keep it in mind, that turmeric, litmus paper, china rose petal. Okay, these are the certain examples through which we can come to know that whether the substance is acidic in nature or basic in nature. Clear? That will be asked in a 1 marks. What are the examples of the indicators? Okay, this is the examples. Now the question would also be asked, what is indicator? Okay, what is indicator? So you have to write it down, the definition of indicator. Okay, and you have to write down the examples of indicator. Okay, so these are the certain natural indicator. ये जो टर्मरिक है, चाइना रोज़ है, these are the certain नेचुरल इंडिकेटर. वो हमें रेडीमेड मिलते हैं, हमें उनको बनाना पड़ता नहीं है. टर्मरिक यानी कि हल्दी, हम बनाते हैं उसको नहीं, वी गेट नेचुरली फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स, राइट. द लिटमस दैट वी गेट फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स, बट इट इज़ अ केमिकली प्रोसेस सब्सटेंस. ओके, इट इज़ उसको केमिकल से ट्रीट करके हमें मिलता है. Clear? Now after that china rose petal, that is the natural indicator. Jasud. Okay, are the some of the examples of the natural indicator. Now next is here that table. You all have to keep it in mind because it will be objective based questions will be asked from that table. That name of the acidic, the vinegar है तो उसके अंदर कौन सा एसिड है, उस एसिड का नाम क्या है. तो विनेगर के अंदर कौन सा एसिड है? एसिटिक एसिड. नाउ एंड सिटिंग मीन्स व्हाट? एंड स्टिंग मीन्स व्हाट कि हमें जब कीड़ी जो चींटियाँ हैं, राइट, चींटियाँ हमें जब बाइट करती है तो उसके अंदर भी एसिड होता है. तो वो चींटियों के अंदर कौन सा एसिड होता है? तो फॉर्मिक एसिड. क्लियर? नाउ साइट्रस फ्रूट इज मीन्स व्हाट? खट्टे फल. ओके, नाउ सच एज ऑरेंजेस, लेमन, these are the citrus fruit. So that citrus fruits having the citric acid. The curd is having the lactic acid. Oxalic, the spinach. Okay, then amla, citrus fruit also having the ascorbic acid. Okay, ascorbic acid, और उसका दूसरा नाम है विटामिन सी. Now tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes, etc. having the tartaric acid. Okay, so these are the name of the substances over here, and in which we have the varieties of the acids. Okay, now some of the base. लाइम वाटर है तो उसके अंदर कौन सा बेस होता है, तो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, ओके, चूनो, हम चूना बोलते हैं, दैट इज़ लाइम वाटर, उसके अंदर कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड होता है। देन विंडो क्लीनर, जो स्प्रे से आप अपने घर पे जो विंडो क्लीन करते हो, जो लिक्विड आता है ना सोपी, आपने एडवर्टाइज में भी देखा होगा, दैट इज़ द अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सोप दैट वी आर यूजिंग इन अ डेली पर्पज, whether it is in a washing, bathing, cleaning. So they have the base sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, okay. And the milk of magnesia having the magnesium hydroxide, clear. Now milk of magnesia, it is a kind of a liquid which is having the magnesium in a liquid form, okay. Now let me tell you about the some certain natural indicators. As I have told you that turmeric, litmus, china rose are the natural indicator that we get from, that we can have from the nature. हमें वो nature से मिलता है, हमें उसको produce करना पड़ता नहीं है. So first let's see the natural indicator. See the natural indicator, litmus, it will be asked in a exam as a part of the short note, okay, in a 3 marks, either in a 4 marks, that write down a short note on litmus, a natural dye, okay. So you at least you should write the 10 points, okay. So let's be study first. So the most commonly used natural indicator is the litmus, okay, commonly used, easy to use, and it is a safe also. Any small children can also use this litmus paper, okay. It is extracted from the lichens. Here the name is given, lichens is a nothing but it is a one type of plant that is grown on the bark of the wood, okay. जो ये लाइकेन है वो वुड का जो बार्क होता है, स्टेम होता है, उसके ऊपर ग्रो होता है, क्लियर. यूजुअली प्लांट्स आर ग्रो इन द सॉइल, राइट, बट दिस लाइकेन इज ग्रोन फ्रॉम ऑन द वुड, ओके. इट हैज़ पर्पल कलर इन डिस्टिल वाटर. अगर हम इसको डिज़ोल्व करें तो ये जो लाइकेन है, दिस इज़ द लाइकेन, ओके. नाउ इफ़ वी टेक द सम पोर्शन ऑफ द लाइकेन्स leaves and if we will dissolve into the water, it will be in a purple color, okay. When added to an acidic solution, अब ये लाइकेन जो है अगर हम उसको एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन में हम ऐड करेंगे, then it turns into the red. अगर एसिड के सॉल्यूशन में हम उसको ऐड करेंगे तो उसका कलर पर्पल से कैसा हो जाएगा, रेड. और अगर हम उसको बेसिक सॉल्यूशन में हम ऐड करेंगे तो उसका कलर जो है वो कैसा हो जाएगा, ब्लू, ओके. सो इफ़ यू डोंट नो द सब्सटेंस नेचर, क्या वो एसिड है कि क्या वो बेस है, हमें नहीं पता है, लेकिन अगर आपके पास लाइकेन की स्ट्रिप्स हैं, ओके, लिटमस पेपर है, देन इफ यू विल dip the litmus paper into the solution, if the litmus paper turns into the red, it means the substance is acid in nature. If the litmus paper turns into the blue, it means the substance is the basic in nature, clear. It is available in the form of a solution or in the form of a litmus paper. As I have told you that the lichens can be available in the solution or in the paper strips, okay. Now generally it is available as the red and blue litmus paper. Here the given, it is a litmus paper, the red litmus paper and blue litmus paper, clear. Now the red litmus paper is turns into the blue. It means what? The substance is in the basic in nature, Okay, if the red litmus paper turns blue, then the substance is in the basic in nature. And if this blue litmus paper is turns into red, it means that substance is in a acidic in nature. Clear? Now that activity I'll show you in the next class with the help of experiment. Okay, I will get these certain substances and I'll dip litmus paper and I'll show you that how the litmus paper changes its color. Okay, clear? So till this we'll keep here. You will have to write down these new words from the textbook. Okay, and till that we'll keep here. In next class we'll meet soon. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. God bless you all.